Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language in your Android phone. So at first, swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here, scroll all the way down and then go to General Management. After that, go to Language option. Now from here, you can change your language. Now if you want to add your own language, just tap on Add Language option. And here it is. From here, you can choose any language as you want. If I select English and then choose your region, if I select US, then tap on set as default and it's done. You can see in my phone language has been changed successfully. Now if you want to go back UK English again, just tap here, then tap on apply and you can see it's changed successfully. If you want to delete any language, just tap on edit and then choose the language that you want to delete. Then tap on delete, then tap on remove and you can see it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can change language in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.